Namaskar everyone. Thank you for joining in. Maybe while others are joining, as you would have seen the yesterday's news also, the now Narendra Modi is also promoting the yoga. So I'm happy to see you all that you all have already registered for the yoga and yourself, making yourself better than yesterday and more stronger your immune system. So I'm really happy to see the enthusiast people who are very worried for their health and keep doing something for their health. So from here we'll start as others have also joined. Sit in any comfortable position. You can sit in the Padmasana, in the Vajrasan, half Padmasana, cross-legged or the Sukhasana position. Take natural breathings. Your back and neck must be straight. Your shoulders must be relaxed to roll up them and just relax them. Place your palms and Gyan Mudra on your knees. Close your eyes slowly and gently. Keep taking natural breathings. With each inhalation, get prepared today's yoga session mentally and physically. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale. With closed eyes, scan your body and observe how you are feeling, how your body parts are feeling. Take a mentally note for those things. If any thoughts or worries are into your mind, let it go out through exhalation. Inhale. Make an intention that I'll be aware about my breathing, my posture during the entire practice. Exhale and take natural breathings. With three Om chanting and opening prayer, we'll start today's session. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Inhale. We'll start with the Gayatri mantra. Inhale. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsavinyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Namah Prachodaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your both the palms on your eyes. Beneath your palms, open your eyes slowly and gently. I request everyone to switch on their videos because I can't see many of you. It will help us that if we are going wrong somewhere, so we can correct you. Take natural breathing. Today we'll conduct the sitting asanas in sitting twisting and the sitting spinal twisting. For that, this fat will get reduced, our spine muscle gets strengthened. So we'll perform this asana. Before performing the asanas, we'll warm up our body. And we'll warm up, we'll start with the Bhasrika Pranayam. In Bhasrika Pranayam, have a look how to perform. Sit in any comfortable position. Then raise your hands from elbow. Make a fist like this. First your thumb and then wrap with your fingers. While going up, it will be inhalation, and while coming down, it will be exhalation. While going up, you'll open your fingers. Your fingers must be well spreaded, and while coming down, again you will make a fist. So let's start with this. We'll do 3 minutes round, and then we'll start the next series of asanas. Sit in comfortable position. While performing this, your back and neck must be straight. Your inhalation and exhalation must be enforced. There should be no stress on your face. Your face must be very relaxed and calm. Only your breathing and breathe out would be in force. You do not give to force in your entire body. Just your breathe and breathe out must be in same force. So let's start. Raise your hands from elbows. Make a fist. First your thumb and then wrap with your fingers. Inhale, open your fingers. Very nice. Exhale and make a fist. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Do it forcefully. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Very nice. Keep doing it. While going up, ensure your entire hands are getting stretched over the head. Your elbow should not be like this. It should be completely stretched. Very nice. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Do it forcefully. Very nice. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very nice. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very nice. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Be aware about your breathing, your hand postures, your shoulder posture. Be aware that how with your breathing, your hands and your shoulders are moving. You can close your eyes and with closed eyes feel your posture, your movement of your breathing and hand and shoulders. Very nice. One minute more to go. If you're tired in between, take relax your hands on your knees and take 3 natural breathings and then again can start. Do it with your breathing. Your breathing must be synced to have a better effect of Bhastrika. Very nice. Keep doing it. Very nice. 30 seconds more. Your shoulders must be relaxed, else you will start feeling pain over the neck area. So your shoulders must be relaxed, only they will move. Inhale, exhale, 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 and relax. Now from here, take 3 natural breathings and have a look for the next asana. In the next asana, we'll do the sitting spinal twisting. For that, place your left palm on your right knee and place your right palm beside your buttocks. Wherever you are the comfortable, you do not need to force yourself because we'll do it in the 3 rounds. So in first posture where we are comfortable, then second posture will stretch a little further, and in third a further. Okay, so have a look. In the first posture we are doing very soft and gently. Wherever we are comfortable, place your left palm on your right knee, your right palm beside your buttocks, wherever the position you are comfortable. Do not stretch your body, and look at your right elbow, sorry, right shoulder. So let's start together. Sit in comfortable position. You are sitting would be in cross-legged or the Padmasana or half Padmasana. Press your left palm on your right knee and your right palm beside your buttock. Wherever you are comfortable, look at the right shoulder. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Breathing would be from chest, pelvic area tucked in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. From here, we'll go further back. Your right hand will go further back, and you'll feel a twist in your pelvic area. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Look at your right elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Your breathing will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Will go further back. Almost your right hand must be beside your left buttock. Hold this posture. You will feel complete squeeze. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, and relax. Place your right palm on your left knee and your left palm beside your buttocks. Do it smoothly. Wherever you are comfortable, place your palm there. Now look at your left elbow and hold this posture for 30 seconds. Pelvic area tucked in. Breathing from chest will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very nice. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, and a further back. Move your left hand. Very nice. Feel a little squeeze in your lower abdominal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your sight must be on your left elbow, left shoulder. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And a further move. Move your left palm a further, just beside your right buttock. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Bring your right palm and left palm on your knees. Take natural breathing. Now from here, we'll sit on our buttocks. Our feet must be crossed to each other like this. Bring your knees near to your chest area, okay, like this. As much as close you can bring. You have to hold it for 30 seconds. You can play hold like this. See, have a look, that knees must be touching to the your chest area like this. Shift your entire body weight on your buttocks and your knee must be touching to your chest area. Your feet are above the yoga mat. They are not touching to the yoga mats, and we'll hold this posture for 30 seconds. Before starting for holding for the 30 seconds, first we'll do from the alternate feet. So how to perform from the alternate feet? Have a look. We are sitting in this posture. Your pelvic area must be tucked in. Breathing from chest will continue. 1, 2, 3. While moving these, only your feet are moving. Remaining body parts are still. There is no movement in your any other body part. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, so let's start together. Cross your legs, cross your feet, bring them closer to your chest area. Hold your body. You can hold like this, or you're uncomfortable, so you can hold like this also. Your back must be straight. Shift your entire body weight on your buttocks. Let's start. Pelvic area tucked in, breathing from chest will continue. 1, 2, 3. Ensure only fits movement. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your knees are touching to your chest. 1, 2. Anyone having the belly fat, they can keep a distance. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. From ankle to feet, rotation only movement. Their entire body is still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Now from here, we are holding our, the way we hug ourselves, you can place your palms like this. Ensure your knees are touching to your chest area. Then shift your entire body weight on your buttocks and hold this posture for 30 seconds. Okay, let's start together. Cross your legs, hold your knees, bring them to close to your chest area, pelvic area tucked in. Your side must be on floor on some unmoving point. Very nice. Chest breathing will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Self-counting start. If someone is unable to hold the posture, they can do the previous exercise or try seconds. Look at some unmoving point, not at me, so you'll be able to concentrate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 5 rounds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, now stretch your hands. Palms must be parallel to floor. Again, your knees must be close to your chest area. While holding the posture, may be possible that your wings are going away, then bring them back to close to your chest area. Your back must be straight. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your feet are above the head, above the yoga mat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoulders must be relaxed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from here we'll go to up. Raise your hands above the head in Namaskar Mudra and hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Very nice. Take 3 natural breathings. Now from here, we'll go to the Malasana. We'll sit in the Malasana posture. If anyone having the ankle issues, so they can use the double yoga mats or do it carefully. In the Malasana posture, you have to sit in squat position. Then place your palms, place your elbows are under your knees, okay? Your shin area. Then the Namaskar Mudra, when you are touching your palms to each other, there should be not forcefully, it should be very gentle, there should be no pressure. Your palms, your forearms to floor like this, you can see in one line. If you want, you can make a distance between your feet.
Yes. Ma'am, I cannot sit like this.
Okay, so ma'am, can you sit in this posture a little? You can sit on your toes also if you are not comfortable. Can you sit on your toes?
No, ma'am. My knees are so rigid.
Can you sit in Vajrasana position?
Not full Vajrasana. I can kneel down.
Okay.
I can,
So
I can kneel down.
can you sit in there? Okay, knee down. You can do this asana, not the standing one, but if you can sit in this much, can you sit
Okay.
like this?
Yes, that I can do.
Okay. Okay. So we'll go for the from Malasana. This is the next variation of the Malasana. Like this, then place your elbows near to your knees and sit in this posture. Okay. The remaining people can continue with me. Sit in squat position. Bending up further, but while bending, ensure your back must be straight. It should not be hunched. It should be straight. Okay, and in this posture. Hold this position. Again, your pelvic area must be tucked in, and chest breathing will continue. Hold this posture. Back must be straight. Look at the floor and some unmoving points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. 5, 6. Hold for 10 seconds more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now from here, we'll raise our hips further. Your back must be parallel to floor. Hand position would be same. Now your side would be on your yoga mat. And hold this posture for 30 seconds. Anyone can perform this asana except if anyone having the severe knee issue or the ankle issue. Remaining people can perform this asana. This asana is very good for your digestive system, your spinal, and strengthen your thighs also. So let's start together. Sit in the Malasana position, and the ma'am whom I told earlier, you were sitting in this posture, then bend up further. If you having the cervical or the epilepsy issue, then look down only. You look straight, okay? Don't bend your neck. The remaining people can start with me. Yes?
Mamta, yeah, I can't sit with the feet flat. You are sitting with the feet flat, no?
You can sit on toes also, because many, yeah. No, no worry for that, because this is the variation if anyone is not comfortable, but your aim should be that later on you can sit in this posture. A little pressure give yourself, but not too much. Okay.
No, actually, I have one leg foot drop. Okay, so I can.
Okay.
So
Okay, so no worries, you can sit in this posture if you are comfortable. So let's start from here. Rise your buttocks. Your back must be parallel to floor. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Very nice. From here, we'll perform the Vayunikasana asana. In this asana, again, you have to sit like this. With your palms, with your fingers, hold your feet like this. Your elbow and knees are in line. And hold this posture. Just we have to sit. Your fingers would be below your sole, feet sole, and thumb is above the feet. Hold this posture. Again, your back must be straight. Shoulders must be relaxed. So let's start together. You are sitting in the Malasana position. From here, place your 4 fingers below your soles and your thumb on the above the feet. Hold this posture. Back must be straight. Sight on some unmoving point. Breathing from chest, pelvic area tucked in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Self-counting start. The people who having the gastric issue, this asana is very good for them. They can keep repeating this asana in regular routine also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, and relax. Now from here, we'll go to Kashtanikasana asana. In this asana, again you have to sit in a squat position, and the one who can't sit in squat position, they can perform this asana while standing also. I'll show both the postures how to perform this. You have to assume that there is a wood log is in front of your face, and you have to chop that wood. So you have to do this asana with force. You have to collapse, interlock your fingers, then rise up your hand and come forcefully down. Okay, like this. Because you have to cut that wood. So chop that wood. So your exhalation would be forcefully. While going up, it will be inhalation. And while inhalation, your hands would be above the head. Your entire spine will get lengthened while going up. And then exhale down, and it would be forcefully. Every time you had to assume that you are chopping that wood, so that much force required. While interlocking your fingers, assume that you are holding an axe and you are chopping the wood. The people who can't sit in the squat position, they can perform this asana while standing like this. Hold axe on your hand, then inhale and exhale like this. The one who having the back issue, severe back issue, slip disc or sciatica, they have to perform this asana carefully. If during the practice they feel the pain, don't continue. Just relax and take natural breathings. Let's start. The one who are sitting and the one who are standing. In entire practice, your hands must be straight from elbow. It should not be bent while cutting down. It should be straight only, okay? Like this. So you are sitting in squat position. Assume that you are holding X on your hand, your palms. Interlock your fingers in that manner. Inhale, rise your hands above the head. Must be lengthen. Exhale and come down forcefully. Very nice. While coming down, your hands would not be touching to the floor because you are coming with force, so it may hurt. So just hold your hand above the yoga mat. Okay, your hands must be straight, or ensure that thing also. Inhale up, exhale down. Very nice. Inhale up, exhale down. Very nice. Inhale up, exhale down. Very nice. Inhale up. While going up, inhalation, your spine must be straight, lengthen. Very nice. Exhale down. You can perform this asana while standing also. Do not necessary that you have to sit only. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. You have to perform this asana slowly and gently, not like this. Okay? Just straight your hand, come down. Very nice. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Ensure while coming down, your hands must be straight. They should not bend. It must be straight. Very nice. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 5 rounds more. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Very nice. 2 rounds more. Inhale up, exhale down. Very nice. Inhale up, exhale down. Sit in comfortable position. Relax yourself. Relax your breathing system. Now from here, we'll perform the Gomukhasana. In Gomukhasana, you'd be sitting in the Vajrasana posture. Now from here, bring your right foot close to your left knee. From here, hold your right ankle and overlap with your left knee and push your left ankle towards right side like this. While performing this asana, ensure that your both the knees are in line. They should not be like this. But if anyone having the high thighs, the thigh fat, or the unable to sit in this posture, they can start with this, and then slowly and gradually they will continue with this. Okay. While doing this, the hand, the knee, the leg which is down, the hand must be at above. So this is the below. So from here, we'll raise our hand and we'll interlock our fingers. While interlocking our fingers from back side, ensure your back is straight, shoulders must be relaxed, and sight on some unmoving point. Okay? Your elbow must be close to your head. It should not be like this. It must be, your elbow must be the hand which is above, the elbow must be pointed to sky. So let's start together. If you are sitting in this posture, the cross leg, so bring your left foot just next to your right buttock and then push your right foot next to your left buttock. Very nice. Then the leg which is down, the hand would be up. So bring your left hand above the head, bend from elbow and interlock your fingers from back side. Your left elbow must be pointed to sky. Very nice. Hold. Breathing from chest, pelvic area, tucked in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't strain yourself. If someone is unable to touch, have a look. Remaining people start on self counting, and the people who can't touch, they see how to do that. Place your right palm here and hold like this. Don't strain on your neck. Just hold the posture as much as you can. Just hold this posture. Your neck must be straight. Your neck must be straight. It should not be dropped. Your neck should not be like this. Your neck must be straight. Hold this posture as much as you can. Very nice. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now we'll repeat same from the right side. Very nice. Then right leg is below, then right hand would be above. While doing this, your elbow must be pointed to sky. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Pelvic area tucked in. Very nice. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax.
When you're having left leg up, right hand should go up, is it?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
The opposite hand, or you can take a logic. The leg is below. The same hand would be at the upper side.
Okay.
Now from here we'll perform the Ardha Tadasana. For the Ardha Tadasana, you can sit in the cross leg Vajrasana or this posture. Now from here, raise your hands above the head, interlock your fingers and palms facing sky. Your hands must be parallel to your ears. Stretch your hands as much as you can. Your spine will be lengthened. So let's start together. Sit in comfortable position. Raise your hands above the head. Interlock your fingers and then turn them palm facing sky. Your hands must be parallel to your ears. Very nice. Hold this posture. Your pelvic area tucked in. Breathing from chest will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from here we'll go to right side. Bend a little to the right side. While bending, ensure your hands must be stretched straight. Bend further the way you can. Don't strain yourself. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Drop your neck a little also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, come to center and we'll bend further to left side. Bend further as much as you can. Drop your neck also a little to the left side. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Pelvic area tucked in. Breathing from chest will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To the left side, bend yourself to left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now from here, we'll practice the pranayama. Sit in any comfortable position. Your back and neck must be straight. Your shoulders must be relaxed. Place your palms on your knees in Gyan Mudra. For Gyan Mudra, your index fingertip and your thumb tip to be touching each other, or you can, through your index fingertip, touch the bottom of your thumb and roll up your thumb like this and place it on your knees. Take natural breathing. From here, we'll perform the Alom Vilom as a pranayama. So your left hand in the same posture, but your right palm would be in the Gyan Mudra. Sorry, Vishnu Mudra. In Vishnu Mudra, your first two fingers would be banded, touching to the bottom of your thumb, and remaining two fingers are free. So place your right thumb on your right nostril and remaining two fingers, the free fingers, little finger and the ring finger on your left nostril. Okay, inhale from the left nostril and exhale from right nostril. Again, inhale from right nostril and exhale from left nostril. We'll continue this. You have to be aware about your breathing. Feel the posture, that how your breathing is going from inhalation from the right to left and exhalation from left to right. So let's start together. Sitting in comfortable position, left palm on your knee and your right palm in Vishnu Mudra. Vishnu Mudra like this. First two fingers rolled up to touching bottom of your thumb. Press your right thumb on your right nostril. Inhale from left nostril. Press with your little finger and middle finger and exhale from right nostril. Inhale from right nostril. Press it through thumb and release from left nostril. Continue. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left. Be aware about your breathing. Inhale inhale left, exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left. Inhale right, inhale left, exhale right. You can close your eyes. Inhale right, exhale left. Now we'll hold our breathing. Inhale left, hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale through right. Hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale through right and hold your breathing for 5 seconds on self counting. Just be aware about your breathing and see how it is moving from nostril to left to right and right to left. With closed eyes, try to feel and see your breathing. Exhale through left. Inhale through left. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale through right. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale through right. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale through left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. Through left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. Inhale through left. Exhale through right. Now bring your both the palms on your knees. Keep taking natural breathing. With each inhalation, feel the positive effect of today's yoga practice on your body, especially on your digestive systems, on your thighs, your ankles and legs and spine. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale. With closed eyes, scan your body and feel the difference before starting the session and after the session. During the practice, if you feel any kind of pain, let it go out through exhalation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. With Om chanting and Shanti part, we'll end the session. Take a deep breath and one Om chanting. Inhale. May all beings rest in peace. They keep loving each other and keep spreading love to among everyone. There would be no worries, no disabilities. With this intention, we'll do Shanti part. Inhale. Om Shanti. 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 Rub your both the palms. Place your palms on your eyes, on your face. Feel the energy. Below the palms, open your eyes slowly and gently. शुक्रिया, थैंक यू, हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल डे. आपका दिन मंगलमय रहे.